Somebody tell me, what day of the week is today? What day of the week is today? I love how you're raising your hands. What day of the week is today, Alexia? Yesterday was Wednesday. So today must be
Tuesday.
not Tuesday, but Thursday. Yeah.
When he said it to her.
Today's going to be Thursday. What number will today be? Can we count? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
17. All right.
17.
So, almost Halloween, guys. If we go to Wednesday and move over to Thursday and come all the way down, here we go, 17.
It's almost Halloween.
All right, guys, raise your hand. Oh, class.
Yes.
Raise your hand if you can tell me what day yesterday was. If today is Thursday, yesterday was what, Kayla? Wednesday. Good call, Kayla. Guys, if it's not your turn to talk, don't talk. All right, guys, if today is Thursday, who can raise your hand and tell me what tomorrow will be? What will tomorrow be? Thank you for raising your hand, Brady. Friday. Is he right? Do you agree with him? Show him. Show him you agree. Fun Friday's tomorrow. You're right, guys. So today is Thursday. It's the 17th. Is it still this month? What's it called? October. Do we need this day anymore? What day do we need? Thursday. Alright, guys, we need Thursday here. We've got October. Do we need the number 16 anymore? Yes. We need what number, Mike? 17. Hey, guys, where is our other?
Using the restroom.
Okay. Those over there, the first set are the ones you guys have already done, and the other two are the ones that haven't been done yet. Alright, guys, we need what number? What number, Kayla? 17. Here it is. And we still have our same year.
I have to go potty.
Okay, you may go. Alright, guys, today is Thursday, October 17th, 2013. Okay, guys, raise your hand if you know what I need up here. Go ahead, Joseph, if you have to go. What do we need up here? What do we need? Who's raising their hands? Who is ready? Isabel, what do we need? One more stick. Right, just one? And I'll put it right here in the ones box. So now we have 1, 2, 3. So I'll take this 2 and put it somewhere else. And now we need a 3. We need a 3.
It was right behind the 3.
It was right behind that. Now today is the 43rd day of school. Can you say 43rd? Breathe. No, ma'am. Alright, guys, count with me. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
20. Alright, guys, count by tens with me. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
70, 80, 90, 100.
Alright, guys, whisper. Whisper this time. Are you ready?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, guys, here's what we need today. We'll wait until tomorrow for Fun Friday. Alright, guys, raise your hand if you would like to be my helper today. I need several helpers. Okay, so I've got several who want to be helpers. Show me you want to be a helper. Alright, guys, I've got how many cubes? 2. What color are they? 2 blue. What can I do to make this? What can I do to make this same number? Raise your hand if you can tell me what I can do to make this same number. We want to make the same same? What can I do to make the same number with other cubes? Kaylin, what can I do?
You can change them into different colors.
Like this? And just use one? Is that the same?
If you do like
What do I need, Kaylin?
red, blue, or green.
Kaylin, what do I need?
One more.
I need two, right? Not just one. Okay. So here's two and here's two. Are they the same number now? Yeah, there's two here and two here.
If you put
Okay.
if you put both of them together, and then they will make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, what if I do this? How many do I have now?
2.
Two. Who can help me? Adriana. Come make yours the same as mine. You want the same number. Court, can you close our door, buddy? We're being kind of loud out in the hallway. Make yours the same as mine. Thank you, buddy. Let's see what she's gonna do. Go sit down, guys. All right, so she has how many? She's got 2 orange, and I've got 2 red. Are they the same number? Yeah. Go ahead, please. All right, guys, what about if I do this? Let's see. What if I do this, McKenna? Oh, those don't stick together. How many do I have now?
4.
1, 2, 3. I have 4 now. Who can help me make the same? I need the same number. Elizabeth. Make the same number. Here's mine. She's going to make hers the same number. We're going to make it the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, you would make on orange and blue.
That makes Arvin kind of.
All right, show them what you've got. How many does she have? We can't put them together, though, because orange and blue don't go together. How many does Elizabeth have?
4.
Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ours the same number? Yes. Thank you, Elizabeth. That's pretty easy, right, to make the same number.
My daddy said it's red and the white.
Red and blue that don't go together? Okay.
Red and blue.
Do you think you can make the same number? What do you think? I need somebody to come make a number, and we'll try to match their number, make it the same. Let's see. Matt, can help me. Okay. Matt, any number. You can make yours any number. 2, 4,000. Any number you want to make, okay? All right, guys, get your bubble. Let's see what he's going to do. Whoa, how many is that? Count. Help us count, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many cubes? Here, you hold yours. Do they have to be the same color? No, they don't have to be.
They can be different colors
If you wanted them to.
And they can be like red, blue, or green.
Okay, so help me count. How many do I need? I've got 1, 2. Here's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I've got 8 here, and Max got 8. Are they the same number?
Yep.
Yes. You got it? You got it put back together, buddy? Okay, so these are the same numbers, right? So hold yours up by 9. Let's see if it's the same. You got it? Keep throwing apart. Here, let's try it this way. Try it this way, Matt. Here we go. So we've got yours and mine. Are they the same?
Yes.
How many are there?
8.
8. Thank you, Max.
They're the same height.
They're the same height because they're the same number. They are.
And 1 would be 1.
All right, okay. All right, Matt, come find your seat. All right, guys, what if I do this? Are you ready? What if I do this? How many cubes do I pick to make it the same?
1.
Just 1. So are these the same?
Yes.
One here, one here. What if I do this one? Is it still the same? One here, one here. Yeah. Okay, what if I do this? I need McKenna and Tim. Alright, McKenna come stand here. Timothy come stand here. Alright guys, so I've got one McKenna and one Timothy. Are they the same? One, one. Okay, stay right here, stay right here. I need Timothy, you go to this side, and Isabel come to this side.
Are we all gonna take it on?
Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3. How many do we need over here? 3. Let's see. Breland and Brady and Adrienne. You're all gonna get a turn. You're all gonna get a turn. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3. Is it the same over here? Count with me.
1, 2, 3.
So we've got 3 here, 3 here. Is that the same number?
Yeah. But we can count all together like 1, 2, 3 from the next.
You're right. Okay. You 3 go over there. You 3 go on that side.
1.
You 3 walk over here on this side for me. You guys know what 3 plus 3 is?
6.
Okay, Mac. Mac said it. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do we need over here to make it the same?
6.
Okay. I need Court, Alexia, Kayla, Elizabeth, Kaylin, Mac, Laney, and Charlie. That's okay, guys. Crisscross. All right, guys, count with me. All right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need 6 over here and 6 over here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is 6 and 8 the same? No. We need to get rid of some over here, right? All right, so go sit down, Laney. Go sit down, Kaylin. Okay, so now we have 6 over here, and we have 6 over there. Are they the same? Okay. Court, Alexia, Elizabeth, go to that side. You guys sit down. Rest of you sit down. Back on the carpet, guys. Okay. Okay, now we have, excuse me, McKenna. Alright guys, I can wait on you. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, Mac, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we've got 9. Now we've got 9. Stand up, McKenna, please. Now we've got 9. So do we need 9 on this side too? Okay. Joseph, Journey, Owen. That's just 3. Do we need more?
Yes.
Okay. I need Charlie, Laney, Lily. Is this 9? I need Matt, Kaylin, and Caleb. Okay. So guys, we've got 9 over here. And we've got, count with me, 1. Oh guys, you can do better than that. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've got 9 on this side and 9 on that side. Are the numbers the same? Yes, they are. All right, guys, come to the carpet and stand on your spot. Come to the carpet and stand on. Yes.
You do. Okay.
The box.
cameras, the boxes.
Let me check on. Yes, I have both of them.
Okay.
All right, guys, stand on your letter. Are you ready? Jump up and down 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Hands down. Hands up. All right, run in place. In place, my friend. In place. Stop. Turn around one time. 3 hops. 1, 2, 3. All right, go back to your chair for me. I need my assistant, please. Go ahead and get a pencil out of your caddy. Assistant. Oh, guys, I don't remember asking anybody to talk. Get your bubble. Can you put that on for me? Are you finished, guys?
Almost.
Oh, you got
Just
the
got
other
another
stack?
stack.
There you go. Go ahead. That one's fine, buddy. Go ahead. Go ahead and put your name on your paper. That one's fine. That one's fine. Hocus pocus. It's fine. Go use it, please. Guys, get your bubble. Nobody asked you to talk. Charlie, go back to your desk. That's your new desk, my friend. Here you go, guys. Go and get your pencil. You should have your pencil. Oh, and you're on the page with the yellow and red dots, buddy.
I told you. He
On the
is.
Charlie.
He was until he turned to another page, and then he turned to that page.
What's your name on the paper? You skipped your table.
You're not hurting
Okay,
yourself.
and
You're just hurting paper.
Make sure Court's got one. Make sure Court's got one, Taylor. And Isabel. Court's over here, Taylor. And give one to Isabel. I think that's everybody. Alright, guys. You should have your name on your paper by now. When you're finished, put your pencil down for me. When you've got your name on your paper, put your pencil down for me, please. Yes. You just want to sit right here and work on it? That's fine, okay. I've got my username on there now.
Okay.
And if I've got a couple of files on hers, I've changed her name, but it's still under her name, if that makes sense. I just changed the username on it. So if you would put the files that are on there before you take those off. This is my user, okay. The other one says my name, but it's actually
I'm
and just keep coming out. Jeremy said it's updates, but that's it today.
showing up.
I'm surprised when I saw the high school a little while ago.
Okay. I just thought,
Whoa, network's been a little flaky this afternoon.
okay.
Make sure everybody has food.
We just need one. The rest of them you can put on my table right here. Alright guys, if your name is on your paper, your pencil should be down. You should be waiting on your instructions. Go ahead and put your head down too if you're ready. The red table's ready. Green table's ready. Oh, I don't know, Lily, are you finished with your name? Okay. Mac, will you let her borrow a pencil? Thank you. Alright guys, everybody got their name on their paper over here? Okay. Chicka chicka? Alright guys, on this first page it looks like this. There's some red counters and some yellow ones. This is what it says, Mac. It says, count the red counters. Count them to yourself right now. When you know how many there are, raise your hands. Don't tell me, raise your hand, guys. If you know, raise your hand. How many red counters are there? Okay, guys. When I count to 3, whisper how many red counters there are. 1, 2, 3. There are 4. Good job, guys. Count the yellow counters. When you get it, when you've got it, raise your hands. Alright, when I count to 3, whisper it to me. 1, 2, 3. There are 4. Good counting up, guys. Good counting, guys. Alright, it says, thank you, put it back in there. It says, trace the lines to match each counter on the top to the counters on the bottom. So trace that first line. See, it goes from red down to yellow. Trace all 4 of those lines to match those up. So you've got 4 red on top and 4 yellow on the bottom. You've got 4 red on top and 4 on the bottom. Just like our groups we had of 4 and 4, you match the group of 4 and 4. If you finish, put your pencil down and your head down, please. You don't have to show me. Go sit down, please. Just leave them like they are.
Mr. Beeson,
Yes.
the only thing I'm seeing under Ms. Cruisling's folder out here is a syllabus and a page.
Those are the only two things, because I moved everything
Okay.
else over, but it locked me out. So
Gotcha.
when I made mine, it wouldn't let me get back into it.
Owen's lying on my
That's a time sheet for grad school, I'm supposed to be doing it. So.
Yeah, we want that.
Yeah, because I've been locked out for about a week now. So.
is not.
All right, guys, if you got that, put your head down. Okay, well, you do yours. Thank you. All right, guys, here's what I need you to do. I want you to tell a friend about your counters. Tell your friend right beside you something about those counters. You can tell them that there's 4. You can tell them there's 4 red and 4 yellow. You don't need that. Put it up. You don't need that. Put it up. You only need your pencil right now. All right, guys, go ahead and turn to the next page. It looks like this. You have plenty of time. Mac is right here. Look at what? Right here. Right here. It looks just like this page. Just the next page. It's got a picture of some cars and a bus. It looks like some little puppets at the bottom. All right, guys, put your pencil down and eyes on me. Put your pencil down, close your mouth, and get your eyes on me. Oh, sure. From anywhere to
I don't want to give you my pencil.
and walk the other way. Where's her? Oh, come here, Elizabeth. Yeah, use that one. Keep this one and use that one. It does. Class. Alright guys, I know there's been people coming and going today, but we have to have our bubbles, because you can't hear me when you're talking. So get your bubble. Go sit down. You've been up entirely too much today, Miss Lane. Alright guys, it says, eyes on me, get your bubble, Miss Eggers. Thank you. It says, color each square after you count the set at the top. So count the set at the top, and then color that many squares. Color that many squares on that very first one up top. You shouldn't have your mouth open. You should have a bubble. This is independent work. So count the trucks and cars, and then color each square. Oh, and color the squares, buddy. Color the squares right here. Color how many squares you count. How many cars and trucks, color that many squares. Any color you wish, guys. You can choose any color. They can be all the same, they can be all different. Yes. Court, go to, come right here and sit. And work with him, please. Good job, good job, good job. Okay. Here, just tear the paper off of it, and you can keep using it. What happened, Miss Journey? Okay. Be careful. Guys, if you finish with that, move to the bottom and count the puppets, and do the same thing on the bottom one. Count the puppets and color that many squares on the bottom. Make sure you're counting, buddy. You should only have that many. Alright, keep working, Laney. You've only got one color so far.
Your little folders are gone now?
Cool deal. And every time I restart it, they disappear, but then 15 pop up throughout the day. So
Yeah, it's just updates that are hanging.
Okay.
And usually a restart just finishes the update out and takes that little temporary file and throws it away.
Gotcha.
I went ahead and put those two files on your desktop. I left them on the flash drive as well for you.
Okay, perfect.
You're all set then.
All right, thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, when you finish both of those, put your pencils and your crayons away. Put your head down for me so I know you're ready for the next page. Matt, you finished, buddy? No. Count the ones at the bottom. Don't forget the one at the bottom, guys. Matching the colors.
Square.
Okay, all right.
He's supposed to color the square.
All right.
Yes, he can. He can draw any color. Look, Mr. Reese, you're supposed to color these. It's so in title.
Did you count 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So erase one of those or mark it out. You guys finished over here?
Mr. Beason?
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, this is Stephanie Kroll. Can you, Miss Johnson was gonna swing by and get Mac, to walk up with the girls, at the end of the day. Is that okay?
Yes.
Thank you.
Thanks. So Miss Johnson's gonna come get you, okay? At the end of the school day. Good job, buddy.
Look at this eye next.
All right, now count the ones at the bottom. Count the ones at the bottom.
And you color you wish. They don't
How's it coming over here, guys? Timothy, how's yours coming? All right, keep coloring. Keep different colors. Okay, how many did you count? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you need that one? And sleep like that, here we go.
You want me to color these two?
Oh, he didn't mean that. He didn't. All right, guys, get to work. Okay, hold on one second and we'll move on, okay? Kaylin, did you count the ones at the bottom? Okay, get to work, please. Not yet. Hold on just a moment. No, did you count that many?
Any circle,
Oh, is that what you're supposed to do? Okay, well,
You're
get to work.
supposed to color all those.
Color the same number that you counted. Kayla's right.
He's right.
Got him, guys?
Yes, sir.
Cool deal. Is that all of them?
Yes, sir.
Awesome. And you guys got 10 minutes to spare. Yes, ma'am. Well, why were you up? Oh. Okay, I see that LSU when you covered. Alright, thank you guys. And if y'all want to, there's cookies, candy, come grab some if you want to. Before you go back. Alright, now count these at the bottom, do the same thing right here, okay? Alright guys, show me. Oh guys, raise your hand if you're finished with your paper.
How many can we get?
Like 1, 3, 5, whatever. Okay, if you're finished, get your stuff away real quick. No, you count, remember, do the same thing, count, and then that many you color. Okay? Alright guys, raise your hand if you're finished, please. Who's the boss? Okay.
What are you doing?
Court's almost finished, McKenna's almost finished. Mac, are you finished, buddy? Okay. Class. Here's what I want you to do. Just like before, I want you to draw a line from one square to another straight down and make sure you have the same number on each side. You have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Did you draw your line, guys? Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow.
You mean
Oh, no, I won't. We have a half day. Never mind.
Mr. Mason, do we have to draw these squares to the square?
Yep. Make sure you have the same number. Okay, now draw a line from each box, from the top box to the bottom box, and make sure they match up. The ones that you've colored. Alright, there you go. If you're finished with that, turn the page. You got the one right here, it's got a bunch of hats at the top. The next page has hats at the top. Don't do anything yet, guys. Owen, buddy, count these cards and then color that many squares. Not all of them. Okay, thank you. Hey guys, you should have a bubble. I'm not sure why all this talking's going on. These cards are going to stay the same colors. They are. Joseph, on your bottom, buddy. Alright guys, on the next page with the hats on top, it says, compare the sets of objects. So count the hats. And then count the juice boxes. You're fine, you keep working. I'll come back and help you. You keep working. Okay, now out to the side of the hats there's a blank. Write the number you counted in that blank. Don't tell me what it is. You keep it to yourself. Write that number if you need help. Look up at the number line or around the room. You can find it. Yes, sir. And then out to the side of the juice boxes there's another blank. Write that number too. Okay, hold it right there. Don't tell anybody how many numbers you counted, how many hats in the juice boxes. Keep working, Laney. Oh, and how many hats did you count? How many? 5. So write the number 5 right here. Yes, but look at your juice boxes again, buddy. Alright, and count the juice boxes too, buddy. Write that number. Not yet, not yet. Well, not yet. We're not there yet, buddy. Hold on. He did? Oh, no. Okay. Alright, guys, if you're finished with that, put your pencil down and put your head down so I know you're ready to move on. Braden, sit down, please. He's just racing. Not yet. Hold on. Stay on that page with the hats and juice boxes, guys. Don't move yet. Joseph, you got your numbers? Alright, count. Let's go. Okay. You sure? I don't see them. Write your number down if you've already counted. You cannot sit down or go pull the card. Okay. What did I ask you to do after you're finished? Thank you. Alright, Laney, keep working. Alright, guys, how many, raise your hand if you know how many hats there were. How many hats did you count?
5.
Show me on your hands how many you counted. How many?
5.
5. How many juice boxes? Show me how many juice boxes. 5. Are they the same number? 5 and 5? Yeah, that's the same. 5 and 5, they're the same number. Are you sure they make 6? 5 plus 5? 10, you're right. In your chair. After you go pull that card. Yes, I'm talking to you. Go pull it. Alright guys, now flip over to this last page. It's got a picture of some school buses at the top. Charlie. This page right here, buddy. You got it? Okay. Matt, this page.